Woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday bed.
And the two locks, we can do manipulation either. Let's see na lang where it fits you better. Put the Aries t-shirt on top. So I feel like it's nice to like tie it a little bit.
Scrunch it up a bit, yeah.
Here naman, we'll go a bit trendy for this look. Pocket hat and the bag to play with.
Alright.
Oh, me back when I was younger, undercover, feeling so free. Ghost you.
I'm nervous.
I'm an introvert, but man, this weather's got me hosting. Oh, the best in life for free. Why not me? Why not you? Never did I have to. All the best in life for free. Why not me? Why not me? Never did I have to ask the sun to shine on me. Hey, to shine on me. Hey, this that fire. Sometimes I grab a
Ayan. Say hi. Hi vlog, here's the fit.
Nadapa talaga ako kanina. Hindi ko pa
Saan ka nadapa?
nakapaayos. Sumabit dun sa plate number nung...
Hi guys! So, I didn't talk that much from the previous clip, so I'm going to catch up with you guys because we're besties. Besties! Okay, so I'm going to update you about 3 things, and first things first, I'm going to color my hair. A lot of you guys are asking me bakit sobrang haba na agad ang buhok ko. How did I grow it instantly? I'm actually wearing hair extensions right now. I don't know if you guys can see. Naka-braid siya sa akin. So, yung original hair ko talaga yung is hanggang dito. Tapos last time, diba, blonde siya. Yeah, so I'm back to long hair. And a lot of you guys might ask, why did you go back to long hair? Well, because I want my confidence back. As in, mas confident kasi ako pag long hair ako for some reason. And I feel more myself. But is the feeling, well, at first, medyo itchy siya. Kasi yung mga parts na kung saan siya brinade, parang siyang aglet. Alam niyo yung dulo ng shoelace? Yung mga nanonood ng Phineas and Ferb dyan. As in, parang ganun yung feeling na nandito. Tapos parang sometimes it's quite itchy. Manageable naman na siya, lalo na pag nakasanayan mo na. Okay, so second update, let's just talk about the, you know, the whole H&M experience. I'm not gonna pretend here na, oh, it's just another day. I consider opportunities like that really worth celebrating because it doesn't happen to me every day. At first, I was really wondering, bakit ako? Kasi yung mga ibang kasama ko, like, they're really professional models or they work in that type of field, and I'm like, hey, I make YouTube videos. I'm over here with the vlogging camera. That collection was all about diversity and inclusivity. So, a part of me thinks na kinuha nila ako dahil morena ako. So, who would have thought that something that I thought was a flaw of mine would kind of like be the key to all of these doors of opportunities. Because growing up, sobrang insecure ko talaga sa skin color ko, I swear. Hindi rin siya maiwasan, like growing up in a country where Eurocentric features are more praised. And right now, I just feel grateful. Now I love it. So now I'm going to color my hair with the L'Oreal Paris Excellence Ash Supreme. So this is the Long Live Ash Kit. It contains 2 hair color boxes, purple shampoo and purple conditioner. And the purple shampoo and conditioner is also available in 200 ml bottles. It actually comes in 3 variants that suits all skin tones such as morena, chinita, and mestiza. I've always wanted to have like an ash colored hair, but for some reason, ang ending palagi is yung parang kalawang look. I actually tried going to a salon before And every time nagpapacolor ako, ganito yung ending. Parang nagiging yellowish siya. But this one, I'm quite confident with it because it has anti-brass purple technology, which removes yung mga yellowish tones or yung mga warm tones that gives you that kalawang looks. And yes, I am really doing this alone because we are strong, independent women. Oh, yay! Oh wait, the gloves! The gloves! Oh, this feels nice. So I'm done with the front part scalp. Let me just add a bit more into my hairline because that's what the instructions said. Finally, I managed to apply the hair color all over my hair. Let's go to the third update. I'm back at school. And yes, I'm a college student. And to tell you guys honestly, like, I don't wanna be fake. I feel so overwhelmed. Right now, I feel like I'm kind of torn. Of course, I'm not gonna stop school. Pero parang may part sa akin na gusto maging inactive muna sa mga social media accounts ko and focus on school. But at the same time, I am receiving these opportunities na feeling ko hindi ko dapat palagpasan. So I'm just really trying to balance as much as I could.
Met this girl down by the vine. Had long tan legs and big brown eyes. Seemed the type I would wanna make mine. She said, I can tell you're not my.
I super love how my hair turned out and hindi ko siya in-expect kasi DIY lang naman yung pagkagawa ko and I asked my sister if pantay-pantay and she said pantay-pantay naman, like kahit sa likod. I love that there are no yellowish tones because personally I think it's more flattering for me and it looks classier. And by the way guys, just a heads up that this would be available on October 4 on Lazada's big brand day sale, so go check out L'Oreal during that time. I'll be leaving below yung link where you can get it as well.
Spent all of our time outside all day, doing whatever we like our way. Didn't need a wall to build a new space. Every moment just came together like 2 feet hanging.
So I got a package filled with art supplies and school supplies and it's actually from a small business pero meron silang Shopee. So I thought of doing a little haul for you guys. Actually, this is not a little haul because ang dami nilang binigay. Anyway, this is from Paper Staples. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Follow me on Instagram. You know na I love painting but I'm not really good at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just start. Okay, so I got this one. Ta-da! It's a calculator. Ang ganda niya, all white. It looks so sleek. It also got me yung mga paint canvas. It's round. Finally, I have an acrylic painting pad. Acrylic color primary set. It comes in like these huge tubes. So, they gave me some sticky notes, like yung mga tabs in different colors. Super cute. Muji-inspired notebooks, yung mga dotted notebooks. This one's perfect for, you know, note-taking. Brush, sponge. I've never used one. Ko na lang sa YouTube, but it looks interesting. Different colors of Morandi pens. Thank you so much! Oh my gosh! I really wanna go for yung mga ballpens na ganito kasi ayoko yung nawawala yung takip. So, yay! Guys, binigyan nila ako ng pastel na frixion pens! Ah! Thank you! Ow! And then they gave me this ruler set, super cute washi tape, and more pens. They have their own brand which is called Asteri. Ang ganda ng packaging nila. Okay, so now that I have all the materials, it's time for my sister and I to paint. Let's go!
Grace, oh grace, every time you come around I feel okay. You help me see color in the world of gray. Girl, you make me feel some type of way. Ooh. Every little thing you say or you do got me feeling like a bird
we've decided to paint, but it got kind of gloomy, so it might rain anytime. Actually, maambon na. So, it wasn't raining a while ago. I like my outfit. Top is from Shopee. Skirt is from Shopee. They're the Adidas. Oh God, it's dirty. Shoes are from Sean. They're the Adidas Sampa Rose. It got dirty na, but ang ganda niya, like may mga flowers. Anyway, that's it. Have to go now. It's too rainy.